homie.
Alright, show me.
Show you what?
Your room.
Oh, I'm outside, actually. My roommate's inside, so I don't want to go in.
Well, show me.
Okay, I'll show you my living room. Okay. Okay, this is the door, the entrance.
Oh.
See it?
Yes, I do.
This is my entrance, and this is my kitchen.
How is your kitchen with your living room? That doesn't make any sense.
It's all in one thing.
So it's a studio apartment.
And then if you go that way, it's my bathroom.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's really nice. It's actually really big.
Your bathroom.
Yeah, I'll show you. This is my bathroom.
Are you carrying your laptop?
Yeah, it's actually really nice. This is my... so it's kind of hard to adjust. This is my tub.
Is that where you have sex?
Yeah. And then, can you see me?
Oh, yeah. Can you see me?
No.
I know. That's the point.
This is my bathroom. Okay?
Okay.
And then, this is my kitchen.
Wow, that's a lot of, like, medication up there.
What medication?
Isn't that
Right
thing?
there?
Yeah.
That's food.
Oh. I'm just kidding.
That's like cereal and stuff.
Alright.
Okay. And then, this is my living room. Can you see it? This sucks.
I should send you a box. Like a poster.
Do you like my TV?
Wow, it's a flat screen TV.
Yeah. And this is my desk.
That's your desk?
Yeah. You want to see pictures?
Sure.
Oh, look, it's me and you.
Where? What was that? Oh, I can't. Oh, I can see it. It's from the thing, the Griffin place.
And then this is the view from my apartment. I don't think you can see it.
Oh, I can.
Watch I throw my laptop outside.
I would laugh.
And then this is my room.
Oh crap! My computer's freezing.
Yeah, I see you freezing.
I see you freezing. Oh Lord.
Can you see me?
Not yet.
Okay. Tell me when your computer freezes.
Oh, I can see you. You have earphones.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Hello, roommate. This is my roommate.
Where?
Where is she? This is my roommate. Hi.
Hi.
Is this your friend from high school?
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
This is my room.
I'm showing her my side.
This is my room.
I thought you had another person too.
What?
I thought you had another person.
I do. She's not here.
Oh. She parties hard.
What?
She parties hard.
I can't hear you.
She parties hard.
No, she's doing something.
Oh. That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, it's time for me to show you my stuff.